Hi folks, Ian Baker here. One of the bonuses of my job is to be able to take a look at premium fifth wheels. Today I want to take you through the Forest River Sierra. The Sierra has 16 floor plans with a length distribution from 35.5 feet up to just over 42. As far as unloaded weight, Sierras check in from close to 11,000 pounds up to nearly 13,500. The first dozen I'm going to go through are the more traditional Sierra fifth wheels, while the final 4 are the new Sierra C-Class fifth wheels. Of the dozen, 5 of them are family-focused bunkhouse models. All of them have the capability of sleeping at least 8. First up is the 372 LOK. This model is a mid-bunk layout with the bunk room, off-camp side center, and the bunk and glide sofa in a slide. Above this room is a queen loft. In the living area, you'll find opposing slides creating space for a kitchen island with a sink. Campside, the slide contains a booth dinette and massive entertainment center with a fireplace. Opposing, you'll find the kitchen appliances, as well as a full-length pantry and theater seats. The rear wall has a large tri-fold sofa. Up front, the walk-around queen bed is on an off-campside slide, and a massive wardrobe with washer and dryer prep fills the front cap. The bathroom next to the bedroom has a walk-in shower with a seat. Next is the 383 RB LOK. This floor plan is similar in scope to the 381 with a few differences. In the bunk room, you'll find the slide and rear bath, but the wardrobe has been split with the entertainment center, plus there is a loft above with a pair of twin bunks. In the living area, the 383 RB LOK has the same off-campside slide, but expands the campside slide to include not only the major kitchen appliances, but the entertainment center and fireplace. It also has a true kitchen island. The front-end bedroom is the same as the 381, including the massive wardrobe with washer and dryer prep. The final traditional bunkhouse is the 384 QBOK. This model has more of a classic bunk room look, with opposing slides holding twin bunks and wardrobes flanking an entertainment center on the rear wall. The off-campside slide contains the glide sofa as well, with the campside slide holding the outside kitchen. The bunk room has a half bath with access from the exterior. In the living area, you'll find the dinette and tri-fold sofa in the off-campside slide and the campside kitchen slide with a kitchen island in between. A set of theater seats has been added on an interior wall, and they sit across from an angled entertainment center with a fireplace. Now we move along to the front living layouts. The traditional Sierra line splits these into a pair of front bath models, one front kitchen, and one strict front living. The first, the 368 FBDS, has a massive front bath with a double sink vanity in a campside slide, full walk-in shower, and a colossally huge L-shaped walk-in wardrobe in the cap. Next to it, to complete a massive master suite, is the bedroom with a walk-around queen bed on a slide. A half bath in the middle is accessible to the living area, where you'll find opposing slides opening up the floor space and a kitchen island in between. Let's start with the 379 FLOK, which is the traditional front living layout. This layout has a whopping 6 slides. In the front, you'll find a front den with opposing hide-a-bed sofas plus theater seats across from the front cap, which is filled with an entertainment center housing a pop-up TV and fireplace. In the middle, the living area has a campside slide containing the freestanding dinette. An opposing slide pulls out the fridge, range, and full-length pantry. Between, you'll find a kitchen island providing great prep space. After the bathroom with its walk-in shower and washer-dryer prep, you'll discover the back-end bedroom with a queen bed on a slide and an opposing slide housing an entertainment center as well as the outside kitchen. Speaking of kitchens, I'll now take you through the Sierra 38 FKOK. This floor plan is a camp cook's dream. Up front, you'll find the front cap filled with a full-length pantry, fridge, and counter. Opposing slides open with the kitchen to accommodate a kitchen island. Campside, the slide pulls out a buffet cabinet. Opposite, the slide houses the range and more counter space. A dinette sits against an interior wall. In the middle, you'll find a mid-den complete with opposing slides pulling out tri-fold sofas and a pair of theater seats across from an entertainment center. The entire back end with the opposing slides in the bedroom and the washer-dryer prep in the bathroom is identical to the 379 FLOK. The first bunkhouse model is the 3330BH with a large front bedroom having a wardrobe linen closet, a walk-around queen bed, and walk-through bathroom with private access from the bedroom. 2 more slides are found on the off-camp side. The first one, a living area slide, pulls out a tri-fold sofa and booth dinette and sits across from a large L-shaped kitchen. The final slide is a slide in the bunk room containing a flip-up twin bunk and glide sofa. The bunk room has a full bath as well as a twin loft, plus there's an exterior entry into the bunk room's full bath. The 3330BH also has an exterior beverage fridge. The 3220RL, rear living in nature, has a mid-bunk room. The bunk room has the twin bunk glide sofa slide, its own TV cabinet, and a queen loft above the room. In the back end of the 3220, you'll find a spacious living area with a tri-fold sofa on the rear wall and opposing slides. On the camp side, the slide pulls out a freestanding dinette and angled entertainment center. Opposite, the slide contains the fridge and range. Up front, the bedroom is a mirror of the 3330BH. Next, we move on to the only C-Class rear living floor plan, the 2990 TRIK. Truly a rear living model, the 2990 has a large tri-fold sofa commanding the rear wall. The living area has large opposing slides. Campside, you'll find theater seats and a freestanding dinette. On the off-camp side, the slide pulls out the kitchen, large pantry, and entertainment center with a TV and fireplace. In the middle sits a kitchen island. Up front, you'll find a bedroom identical to the 3330BH. The final Sierra C-Class floor plan is the 3550FL. 3 slides in this front living model create a dynamic open space. The back of the 3550 has a walk-around queen bed in a campside slide with the rear wall covered with a dresser flanked by a pair of wardrobes. The bathroom sits campside, creating a hallway to the mid-kitchen. Along with an impressive campside L-shaped counter, the kitchen has an off-campside slide holding the freestanding dinette and fridge. In the front, you'll find a tri-fold sofa and an off-campside slide with a resting bench directly across from it. Theater seats across from a front cap filled with an entertainment center, pop-up TV, and fireplace finish off the front den. Okay, with the floor plans covered, let's move on to highlight a few fantastic Sierra features. You'll find 84 inches in ceiling height, 15,000 BTU ducted AC, and in-floor duct heating. Regarding entertainment, Sierras have a 40-inch LED HD TV with premium soundbar and built-in DVD player. Most also have an electric fireplace. In the kitchen, you'll discover features such as residential countertops, stainless steel appliances, plus stainless steel undermount sink with a residential pull-out faucet, 3-burner high output range, and much more. Popular interior options include a king bed, residential size fridge, and central vac. On the exterior, you'll find features such as an easy access docking system, electric awning with LED light strip, and satellite and cable TV hookup. Some come with automatic leveling, and most have the more ride entry step. There's a lot to think about when getting a fifth wheel. Thankfully for you, Forest River Sierras have a lot going for them. With a sweet 16 set of floor plans to choose from, we're sure you'll be able to find the right Sierra fifth wheel for you and your camping family.